Hello guys, today we are at Orangeville test center and we are going to go to G2 test route. They have got 4 different test routes in Orangeville. We'll go all the test routes one by one, but just remember one thing, they just keep on mixing all these 4 routes. So make sure you watch all these 4 routes in my video. And if you still have any questions, you can call me anytime at 416-275-3965. Let's go to Orangeville G2 test route number 4. And you have to change the gear to drive. Look around, anyone coming, put the right indicator. Look around here, anyone coming from the any side, no one is coming. And we'll take right outside. And the next stop sign, we will take a left. And when you're driving here, keep on the rightmost side here. Keep on the rightmost side here. We'll take a left from this stop sign. Take a left here. Completely stop. Then check further, go further ahead. See anyone coming from any side? Yeah, cars are coming from the both sides. I have to see whether cars from both sides. Be careful. Yeah. No one coming. Yeah, everything is clear. Everything is clear. Yeah, good. I can take a left here now. Speed limit is 40 here. From the next stop sign, in route number 1, 2, 3, we went left from that stop sign. In route number 4, we are going to take you right from the stop sign. Speed limit is 40 here. Right indicator. So we'll take right from the stop sign. First stop here completely. Stop completely. Yep. And no one coming. Take a right here. Look in all the driveways, everywhere. Okay, next traffic light, we will take a left from the traffic light. Mirror signal blind spot. Go to the left lane here. It's called 5th Avenue. So light turn to yellow. We have to stop now. Yeah, stop completely. Check both sides. Anyone coming from any side? Yeah. Who can come in our way? See the opposite side traffic. See the traffic coming from plaza. See on the sides. Keep on looking everywhere. Don't just look at the light. Look for the pedestrian. Look for the cars. Cars in front. Cars on the side. Yeah, their light turn to red. Is our light turn to going to green soon? Yeah, nothing is coming in our way. We can take a left here. Speed limit is still 40 here. Just look around. Just look around, look everywhere. We'll take a left again from this traffic light. It's written there 40 ends. It's 50 on that next traffic light. After the traffic light, it's called First Street. Speed limit is 50 here. I mean, stop behind any car, we should be able to see the wheels of the car on ground. That's the right distance to stop. Yeah, when you're standing at the intersection, keep on looking around, look what the other car is doing, and look anyone coming behind us. Also, know everything is clear behind too. Yeah, everything is clear. Everything is like no pedestrian can come in our way. Let's see if any car come in our way or not. Everything look clear till now. Yeah, light is green. Anyone coming in our way? No one is coming. Yeah, everything is clear. We can take a left here. We'll go left here. Yeah. See here, we're supposed to be changing lane to right after taking left, but this lane is ending here. It's certain there this lane. You don't have to change lane there then if the lane is ending. Right? But if you don't see that sign, you have to just supposed to be changing lane to right all the time. But if the lane is ending, don't change lane to right after that. Speed limit is 50 here. Yeah. And the next traffic light, we will take a left again. Yeah, be careful, this car is coming in our way. That's okay, that's not there right away, but still you check it, okay? We'll take a left here, left from this first traffic light. This is called Elizabeth Street or 2nd Avenue on the other side. 2nd Avenue. Just look around, look everywhere, and nobody coming in our way. Take a left here, and speed limit is again 40 here. And this is written there, sharing the cycle, sharing the road with the cycle. So then, if any cyclist is there, be careful about that. See this stop sign, again is always stop sign. We'll take a right here. Right, stop completely, look around. Yeah, we'll take a right here. We'll take a left from the next street. It's called 1st Avenue. It's a two-way stop sign for other people, not no stop sign for us. But if somebody is coming from the opposite side, we are supposed to be waiting for that. And then they will tell you take a left from the next stop sign. That's again a two-way stop sign for us. Middle car, they don't stop. We have to stop there. Stop here completely. It's a stop sign. Stop completely. No one is coming. Yeah, everything is clear. We can take a left here. It's a two-way stop sign. We'll go straight from the stop sign. Always stop sign. Look. Look everywhere, look around. The speed limit is 40 here. Let's take a right from the stop sign. It's always stop sign. Completely stop your car. Stop completely. Yeah, everything is good. And take a right here. And then they will take a right inside the parking lot. We'll go right here. Take a right and keep on the rightmost side, because opposite side some cars are coming, and sometimes they're taking the truck test here. Be careful about that. That's good. Then the examiner will tell you to back parking here, but we are going to do the straight parking here. Yep, like this. And then the examiner will tell you, okay, you meet the ministry standard today, you pass your test and go get your license from inside. Congratulations, you will pass your test. I hope you like my all these videos about your G2 test route. And if you still have any question, you can call me anytime at 416-275-3965.